numbers, gets it away to Tuisova, looks it on corner and ices him as well. Shapes short-side and heads that direction, just pops it one off to the tank, Tuisova.
And beautiful balance and precision just to get it before his feet or legs go out.
Vero, verissimo. Occhio che Manuel Cardoso Pinto. Guarda l'espressione di Manuel Cardoso Pinto.
Mamma mia, guarda le gambe. Veramente fisicamente Tuisova.
And the British and Irish in lines too.
Comfortably plays almost right across the back line, but
here comes Fiji with a little running.
Become very effective. Look at this. Oh, the big hits in the midfield. Good tackle from Ellis Gange.
Burke feeds and it's great tackling again.
Well, they need someone dropping on the inside.
Kuravoli feeds Tuisova.
These are the moments that Fiji need to try and create 1v1.
Ici par exemple, la petite passe pour Tuisova. On voit la percussion de Tuisova.
Tuisova. Oh, he's away, it's Tuisova. What a step, he's got the power as well. Just bouncing the defence.
With numbers, gets it away to Tuisova, looks it on corner and ices him as well. In his calves.
So built makes it difficult, which is why Connor's.
La taille très haut dans le ciel de Lyon et à la réception, ouais. On l'a vu. Le préparateur physique du Loup me disait il a
maintenant pour cette sautée jusqu'à Tuisova, le duel avec Wolf, il l'enrhume. Josua Tuisova, remise intérieure, c'est magnifique mon Charlie Dataille. 47-9 pour les partenaires de Josua Tuisova, irrésistible ici.
Gets the ball out, Tuisova cuts inside.
Tuisova maintenant.
Out to Tuisova, fends off one.
La déviation pour Couillou. Il saute Bastaro pour servir Tuisova, en premier attaquant qui rebondit sur la défense. Oh, un grand coup d'épaule. Josua Tuisova, monstrueux, énorme. Il arrive. Alors Philippe, pardon, parce qu'on revoit le ralenti de l'action tout en finesse de Josua Tuisova. Boule de bowling.
Also talking through this attack.
Avec le contre-rock efficace des Lyonnais, c'est Tuisova qui s'est emparé de ce ballon, malgré Payawa.
Regarde avec Tuisova qui a un petit peu de champ, il est passé, il accélère, plus personne n'a réussi à l'arrêter, il passe les bras pour trouver Couillou.
Trundling towards the uprights. Kuravoli, here's a chance. Tuisova, propelled by the biggest calves in the world.
Got to be on your feet if you just flop on the player. And a trip to Monaco, of course, tomorrow, nominated for
Nonu, out to Tuisova. Tuisova's got space. James coming across. Tuisova.
That disciplinary record.
On that ball from the... Missed out on that losing bonus point just last week in Pretoria.
Il choisit d'abord la collision. Oh là là là. Préservé sur les derniers matchs. Parce que
Urda Pileta, finalement amené au sol par Tuisova qui l'a cloué.
Across the path for Tuisova, who just steps his way past. That Reece Hodge, he was knocked down by Semi Randrandra on the opposite side.
Fiji have got to score next, you feel. Armstrong Ravula to Tuisova. Potentially a bit of width. Tuisova slips past one.
This is great. They got the ball in the 22. Blair Murray vitally misses that tackle.
A little bit of space on the outside now. Tuisova goes to work. Hearns comes across, no chance. And then he gets rid of the
moment. The Toulon go in for the kill. Randrandra, Tuisova bounces the defence.
But couldn't quite get his hands on it.
And he gets himself bravely back up into the defensive line, and Tuisova.
Here it comes, an opportunity, big charge from Tuisova. Tuisova smashing into.
Locking out the scrum, Tuisova comes steaming onto it. Josua Tuisova goes over another up towards